Alright, what's up guys, JR here. I wasn't planning on making a video today, but I have pretty much a setup that is as good as it gets right here. This is a beautiful failed second entry short in a pretty strong uptrend. We're coming off the trend line, we're coming off the EMA. We trapped him right here, we trapped him again right there. This is an incredibly bullish bar. This thing's getting ready to take off. Initially I entered this trade down here. I figured I would most likely have to ride out a pullback, which occurred right here with the failed second entry, and I'm going for 10 points on this target. Honestly, I could probably go for more now that we have this strong trap. My 10 points was initially based off this entry. I can probably slide this up and take more than 200 off the trade, but let's just see what happens, because we're gonna pop. We're already popping right now, but we're gonna really pop when we get above here, and I know that there's gonna be some money still left on the table if I take this off at 10 points, but I don't want to get too greedy with this. But this is just, I had to record this because this is just a beautiful setup, man. Absolutely beautiful. It doesn't get better than this. Like, if you want to see a perfect setup, this is a perfect setup. You can't get any better than that. No. But yeah, failed second entry short. It's not really, I guess you can count it as a second entry long, because you get your first entry right here, and then this is lower than that previous high, so you can say it's a second entry. But main thing that I'm looking at is the aspect that it's a trap, and if you don't know what a trap looks like, this is pretty much a textbook definition of a trap. You have over here, stuttering, excuse me. You have two attempts to go lower. It doesn't always take two times, but once you get this second attempt and it fails as well, and you get a continuation of a bullish bar like that, you know you have them trapped. You know you have them trapped. So basically what happens is people try to pick tops. They initially begin shorting right here, then they see a lower high, they short right there. Then they see another lower high, they short right there again, and we're not going lower. This market's just been going higher. The trend is really strong to the upside. And once you break a few ticks above these bars, that's when you hit their buy stops, and you get a nice strong bullish continuation in the market like what's occurring right here. So I'm just going to make this a quick video. I will take it off at the 10-point mark, just because I want to just make this short. This is still a simulated account, because like I said, I've only been trading this market for this is, I think, the end of my third week, so less than a month, and so far it's been going pretty well. Today was a nice day. Lots of opportunities to get long in this thing, and it just has been going up and away. But I'm gonna go to pause really quickly, and I'll come back as soon as this bar turns up and we get closer to hitting that target. Alright, so it's looking like we're gonna pop. I really want to extend this a bit more, because I really think this is gonna keep going. I tightened my stop. I only have $40 worth of risk on this trade, which is fantastic. I'm going to see if I can get another 2 points out of it. I should be able to. This thing's going to, man, this is beautiful. This is a perfect, it doesn't get better than this, guys. It really does not get better than this setup right here. Let me take another half a point out of it to make sure. That way we'll make it an even 250 on the trade. And initially I got in down here because it was a strong trend. I entered above this bar once we broke above that, and it was a strong trend. Pretty much I know that you take these pullbacks when they come back to the EMA in this marketing, usually they work. I figured I may have to ride out some form of a pullback or correction, which happened right here. Then we got that failed second entry short. Beautiful setup, perfect textbook trap right here. And so initially I wanted to go for 10 points. Now I think I'm going for, I don't know, I don't feel like doing that mental math, but it's 250 on the trade. So I also took a trade on the ES. I usually don't do that, but the setup looks pretty good, so I have one trade in the bag on the ES. And this is my only trade that I've taken so far in this market today, and this is really nice, man. This is really nice. The ES is also moving right now. Let me pull this on over so you guys can see it. It's a second entry long right there on the ES, and we're a few ticks away from my target. We should get that, and then everything should be cool, and then I'll be done for the day. I mean, $250 trade with $40 worth of risk, and we're tapping that. It might even keep going, but this is all I want to take out of it. I think I might pause it, but I don't want to miss it when it actually trades through my target. I could scoot this stop up actually to lock in some of this profit, because if it does back up after touching my exit, I don't really want to have anything to do with it at that point, but I think we should get it on this bar. Alright, I'm gonna pause it. And there we go. Beautiful. It doesn't get better than that, guys. This is a perfect setup. Absolutely phenomenal. This is what you want to see. Beautiful trap. That's pretty much all I have to say. I didn't want to make a video today. I just couldn't let this trade in particular go without recording it. So I'm done for the day. I made let me pull up my performance, whatever you want to call that thing, performance report, to show you guys that. This is it for this is yesterday. These are yesterday's trades, and today, what the hell? Give me 1 second. I think I messed something up. Okay, I got it back. So these are my trades from yesterday and today. I had that first long yesterday in the NQ, which was worth 5 points. Then that second long, which was worth, I think, 7 points. So that's 240 for yesterday. Then 50 in the ES today. And then that one trade that I just took. Initially, I got in one tick above this bar, or at the close of that bar. And I took, what is the math? So 10 points would be, I took 12.5 points. 12.5 points on that long. And when this trade setup, I knew that thing was gonna pop. So that's a total of 490 in the past 2 days trading this new market. So definitely I'm a fan, guys. But that's it. This is JR. Probably see you sometime next week. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you don't know what a perfect setup looks like, study this. This is pretty much as good as it gets. This is also a nice textbook trap, so study that. And yeah.